Hey everyone, in this video we're going to revisit the Lakewood Model 792-A utility heater after I've repaired it. If you want to see the details on the repair, I'll put a link up to that video in a card up in the upper right hand corner, so check it out. So anyway, without further ado, we're just going to give you a demonstration of how this heater runs now. And we'll plug it in and turn it on the low heat now. I'm going to let this run for a little while so that you can see that we really do have it fixed. And I've got it hooked up to the kilowatt tester here to see how it's doing. This is its amp draw here. And the wattage draws a bit under what it's rated for. And we'll bring it up to high heat now. And the kilowatt readings on it here. This is the wattage, and then the amps. It does seem to be running pretty good here. We'll turn off the lights and see if we have any glow on the heating elements. I'm not really seeing very much. A lot less than it had before. So I think the fan is definitely running better since it's been oiled. The light's back on here. And we'll turn the heater off. I'd like to thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that like button below, and if you haven't already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, because we will have more to come. Later.